whenever I see anything manual happening in the world, I love to make that automated. I know I sound kind of as a monster to implement everything in AI, but hi, I'm Tanmoy Hassan. I currently work at Ontik Technology as an AI engineer. So, picking up my first question, tell me about your favorite film. I'd love to talk about my favorite film. My favorite film is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara from Bollywood. A life-changing movie for me. I found the passion for traveling through the whole world after watching this movie. Picking up the second question, what's your go-to comfort snack when life falls apart a little? I'd say popcorn. I buy popcorn in a whole box, then I fry it by myself. What AI tools or models do you prefer? As I say always, I use GPT or DeepSeek a lot. Personally, recently I'm using make.com and Zapier for automations. What excites you the most about AI? So personally, whenever I see anything manual happening in the world, I love to make that automated. I know I sound kind of as a monster to implement everything in AI, but what I feel that there's a lot of things people can explore. People can do more effort on art and their passions rather than doing repetitive tasks. If you could time travel for 5 minutes, where would you go? Oh, that's a tricky question. I would go to the night I first landed on Amsterdam in 2023. That was a Christmas night and it felt like a dream. People who haven't visited Amsterdam on Christmas, I would definitely suggest you go there because it's like a heaven on earth. And even if you are single, you would love to be with someone and walk through the streets because that city is amazing. How do you stay updated in AI? I personally follow Medium a lot and Hugging Face Spaces to learn about the new models that are arriving in the world right now. And personally, I follow X or Twitter handles of some influencer in the AI industries like Sam Altman and some other influencers. Yeah. Can AI take over the world? Not the way we think, but AI will automate a lot of things that we're doing manually right now. So think about the scenario, you're just doing some repetitive things in a daily life. Suppose emailing your daily activities. AI can capture everything you do and just email accordingly. So it's just a one use case. I can tell thousands and thousands of use cases AI can take over. AI will do our difficult job and we as a human will enjoy our life. That's how the future should be. Biggest challenge in building production AI. So suppose you are building an AI training and data model, the accuracy is very good, the other evaluation metrics is quite good. But when you just put the model into production, you see the model is not working as you will. How and why it's happening? Because the data we are training is sometimes not relevant to the real world data or the ground truth data that we have in the production environment. We should focus how we can improve data, how can we nullify the false data or other aspects of negative data as well. So yeah, that's the future we're looking for. Is this the last question? Yeah. Why is Ontik Technology great for AI developers? Personally, it has a lot of international exposure. Since I joined in Ontik, I just love how they are approaching towards AI infrastructure. Firstly, we have a detailed guideline that from intern to senior to even the tech lead, how do you have to improve your expertise and what do you need to learn in each level, firstly. Secondly, they do not want to just put you into a production grade software and tell them build it. They just want you to train and groom towards a particular skill set. Then you have a coding mentor to guide you through that project, and finally you build the product and you gain the confidence to have more ownership or leadership to your next project. So I think I love the AI infrastructure that we have right now. At the same time, global exposure is huge in AI. I personally work with US clients, Denmark clients, and we have a lot of clients all over the world from Asian as well as US. So yeah, there's a good architecture and infrastructure we have right now for AI. And wish us luck for having a great time here. Thank you.